Hi everyone, so nice to see you again. Hope you are doing well. My name is First Pan. I'm a web and mobile developer based in New York City. Today we are continuing our matchmaking React Native map with map integration. This is our video 5.4. It is a continuation of our journey to explore how much code sharing we can achieve across React and React Native projects. Today's agenda is video 5.4. We're going to write messages to the backend. We start with the way we do it without Redux, and then we're going to use Redux. So again, we're going to have a lot of code that's shared from our React project. So basically, let's see where we left off last time. So this is our app that's deployed on the simulator. So basically, so far we are able to uh, list our messages. Uh, and then we are going to this time to add messages to this map. And so what we're going to do is from utils API manager, because we already done a lot of the same kind of work in our React Native React project. So a lot of codes again can be shareable. So we just need to open our React project, to open one in our text editor. In my case, it's Sublime. So we start with API manager help class. And so we start from utils, API manager, and this whole thing is shareable. So we're going to save it. We're done with API manager. Then we're going to do is in the Redux actions index, this section for add message will be added here. So Redux actions index, so we just add it after this. And at this point, we probably don't need to dispatch as yet. And then we don't need to do anything at our reducer. And in our add message components, view add message, we just need to copy some of the codes from components, view add message. So in here, pretty much the same thing, except here we use this state, and this is the same. And in our add message part, this is our add message part. So go to messages. So in here I go to messages as well. So this is the same thing. On create equals to, this is the same thing. And in here, it's almost the same, except submit that message. Geo equals this props message current. I think it's latitude and longitude. I just want to make sure. To save this. I believe it's the same. It's just longitude, attitude. Well, I think we can. For now, I can keep it this way, and I hope it works. So basically, we go to our simulator, and we're going to refresh. Spec. Okay, so it compiles. So let's say mist react. I want to date someone who knows Redux. I want to date someone who knows Redux. So if I submit, this props add message. That's because we are missing one line here. We didn't share enough codes. That's why it's complaining. Okay, so let's refresh. Okay, again. Mist react. I want to date Miss Redux. So go to the remote debugger. We submit. It works. If I refresh, something, let's just temporarily close it for now. Let's see if the backend is still working. HappyDating. Okay, it looks the backend has it. So if we open it, I see. Stop remote. Okay. And debug. Okay, so it's added to the backend. So let's do another one. And let's say Miss React Native. I want to date Mr. React. I submit, and then I refresh. So there are two of them are here. But here's the problem. Because we haven't used the Redux, it only render after we refresh. So what we need to do is to use Redux to write to the backend. So what we can do here is go to constants, index, we add one more constant. We're going to say this is message created. Message created. Copy paste. Message created. And in the actions, we need to do one more thing. We're going to dispatch. Message created, message response result. And in the message reducer, the easiest thing to do is just copy paste from React project. Reducers, message reducer, message created. Just do the double checking. Constant message created, constant message created, action message, update the list equals to now, update the list, update the list, push action message, list, update the list, update return. So I believe that's it. In the add message, we already have on create, and messages, we already say this props add message, so it's ready. So let's see. Let's refresh. So we probably at this point we need to stop remote debugger and then debugger remotely. Okay, so these are the two original ones. Let's add the third one. So miss Redux. I can share code with Mr. React. If I submit, you see, it's added right away. I can share code with Mr. React. And here's the thing, because we don't move, so it's actually added add on the top of the first one. So we probably can do it this way. So we moved a little bit, and we add the fourth one. So Mr. Nice. I want to date a Miss React Native. So if I submit, you see one more marker is added and one more message is added. So we basically accomplish the agenda for video 5.4 for both writing messages without Redux and with Redux. And this is going to be a short video because we have achieved a lot of code share. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it, and we will continue our journey and do more adventure, how much code sharing can be achieved across React and React Native. Thank you. See you soon.